Anybody want to go to Riverside with me today? I can't see. It's bright, but that's why I want to go to Riverside. Okay. Boom. Bye. So... What's up, YouTube lovers? Welcome back to Shayla's Journey to Success. As you've seen in the first part of the clip, I was basically making a snap and wanted to see who was down for the get down because I love going to our Riverside and running and walking, and I wanted to get in some yoga today. So that is exactly what I did. As I am stretching, as you see, I am getting ready, getting myself warmed up. I arrived at the park about 30 minutes before, or after I posted that, should I say. My bro from another mother hit me up and we linked up to do my first yoga teaching instruction class. I probably put too many words, but I was so excited. He finally arrived and we had a great time. So you'll see coming up. I hope you all enjoy. Join us. It's a short one. Just growing and learning and developing in myself. So hope you like and enjoy. Please subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that red button below. Like and comment what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for my people who are keeping up with me and showing so much love. Thank you for keeping up with Team Success. And if you haven't yet again, hit that bell and join Team Success. Enjoy.
Alright, so I want you to, as we're going to reach our hands up over our head, you're going to take a good inhale. So inhale. And hold it here. You're going to take 2 good inhales and exhales. On your next inhale, you're going to switch over to your right side. Guide yourself slowly and exhale as you lean into it. 2 breaths here. You don't have to hyperextend, just a slight twist and you go over, hyperextend your side. On your next inhale, you're going to reach up, come back center, exhale it out. Going to the opposite side. Inhale, over, and exhale. Hold that position again for 2 good breaths. Focusing on your breath, energy. On your next inhale, you'll come back center. Take 1 good breath. On your exhale, we're going to bend forward. There you go. You don't want to hurt yourself, so you want to walk your feet off to the side a little bit to give a little bit of space. You can shift your body left and right, pedal your knees, feel it in your back, and if you are, hold your hands right here on your calves or your knees. It's okay.
When I used to be...
No. Breathe. Just relax. Send that energy in your breaths to that part of your back that's hurting. So inhale. Send it right there where you feel the intense pain. One more good one. On your next inhale, you're going to reach your left hand up and hold it. If it feels like it's too much, again, bring yourself up a little higher. One more good breath. Filling those lungs. On this next inhale, you will release that arm down. Exhaling it. Get comfortable in this position again, swaying side to side, loosening up those joints, those muscles. Might pop a little bit, might sting a little bit. Concentrate that energy onto the points that you feel a little tightness. On your next inhale, you're going to take a good one and reach up with that right. Try to look up at the sky or at the hand that's up. Feel like it's tight, you can bend more to the left leg or slightly bend to the right. And 2 good full breaths. On the next inhale, you begin to drop that arm gently and exhale. We're going to do a half bend, so that means your hands are going to just go right up to your shins. You want a tabletop back, so looking up in front of you. Inhaling. Do another inhale, and on your exhale, you're just going to drop forward. Let go. chins. Inhale. Exhale it out. All right, I want you to just put your hands flat, and we're going to walk ourselves forward if you can. Letting go of any of that tension on the back. Get a little upper body stretch into a plank. Let go of that breath. Open your mouth. You're going to come down. You don't have to go into the ground. We're just going to do like you wanted to push up. Rounding up. Taking a breath. Pushing back on those legs. Go up to your feet. Go into a downward dog. So you can flatten out your feet if you're able to do so. If not, you can stay on your little tippy toes. Pedal those feet out and those legs. You'll feel it on the back of your calves, back of your legs. If that's what you need to do to wake it up. All right, take a good another inhale. And on that exhale, you're going to bring your right foot between your fingers and your hands. There you go. You're going to take an inhale, and on your exhale, you're going to guide your hands up, okay? So take a good breath. And release. Go up. That back foot goes into a 45-degree angle. Pushing it backwards. Turn it towards me. Yep. Keep yourself forward. And if you need to, ease up off the knee, but you don't want it to go any further forward. If you need to, scoot your foot back if you feel like you're going too far forward and you want to get a good stance. Okay? All right, then you're going to take an inhale and you're going to release it and go facing this way. Your arms will come off to the side. You're into warrior two pose. Give me one good breath. You want your shoulders to rise and pull them down with you. Focus on your shoulders away from your ears. On your next inhale, we're going to bend forward and exhale up, touching your feet, or it can be in front of it, or it can be on your ankle if you need to, whatever works best for you. Here, we're going to get 2 good breaths in, looking up at the sky if you're able to. Tight abdomen to keep that balance. You might feel a little wobbly. One more good breath. And we're going to tighten up the abs and pull ourselves right back up into that position. You okay? Okay. Keep those arms parallel to you, not up, not too low. Just try to find a good equal balance. Shoulders coming down from the ears. Relaxing that lower back. We're going to, all right. On the next one, we're going to bring our back arm, inhale, right back up to where we started. Okay, here we go, and inhale. Nice. So then we're going to do as if we're doing a cartwheel, our hands back to the ground. Begin. Right back where we started. You're going to push that right foot back and back to your plank, okay? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Keeping those shoulders away from your ears, holding that plank as much as you can. Tight core, because I know you got it. We're going to take a good inhale. We're going to push back and go into downward dog, okay? On your next inhale, push back. Walk your hands back with you. Whatever you can do, and you pedal your feet. You're not going to be perfect. It's all practice. So guide yourself with your breath. If you ever need to, you can pick one leg up, loosen it up, shake it loose, whatever works for you. Just loosening up those legs. Dropping that head. Nothing's too serious in yoga. Shake your head yes. Shake your head no. On your next inhale, you're going to now bring your left foot between your hands like you did earlier, okay? Next inhale begins now. Exhale it up. There you go. You're going to go ahead and slightly bend that foot so you're already in that position. There you are. Next inhale, we're going to rise up like we started. Ready? Begin. Beautiful. All the way up. We're going to take about 3 good breaths. Now again, you can rock into it. Loosen up. Drop those arms. Shake it loose. I know the shoulders might feel it. And in the inhale, you bring them back up when you're ready. In your time. Take your time. It's your practice. Next inhale, we're going to face your direction now and bringing those arms off to the side. Inhale and exhale. Walking those hands back if you need to. Take your time. Go with your breath. I would just start stretching. You're doing great. We're almost done. And those legs if you need to. Sometimes I lower my head down a little lower to take some tension off. Yeah, find a good full balance. Looks good. And from here, we're just going to walk our feet literally up to our hands. As if you're on the mat, you'll come to the top of your mat. I didn't bring mine out because they have yours. They just hang on. We start. Let's do 3 full breaths. This inhale, we're going to put our hands to our chin. Come up to the halfway table. Tabletop, flat back. Looking forward, crown facing forward. Take a good breath. Another one. On your exhale, you're just going to drop forward. There you go. Just going to do one more of those. Inhale, come back to the shins. Nice. And on this next inhale, I want you to come all the way up to your hands come up to the sky. So you're going to go. Okay? All right, here we go. Inhale. Let those shoulders drop away from the ears. Nothing tight. Relax. Take a breath. And our hands come together. We're bringing them to our chest. As if we're praying hands. Thank you so much, Remy, for being my first one out here on the park. Namaste. Yay! You did it!
I feel better.
Yes, that's what it's for.